Abujafo Ahaye GC News, Mima Obibia Akwaba, Ahadia latest and hot news, Mkwa Era Mede Bremo. Anuti sawunya subscribe to channel dia pomodia se obe subscribe. Dobe ya ne se obe click the subscribe button no. Na wabele notification. We ya sa di video bia be upload no. We the first person that was ebeka yes video. Afi we na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share na ofofro so na wonye bi hwe na wo hu ensem a ekoso ewo Ghana memo. Afi yebura ayehwe eye ensem a abeto yepono so. Intie yes report ya ababeto dwa intie.
There is 841 names here. Yeah?
841 names.
Wamudi ashe baby. Says Sankrofo no. Wamanti me wamusi police stations are less than say 50 or say then wamu collapse. Yadi akeka bi hu. Wamwaja figure bi say no die. Wamanti me just ya mo stations. Nanso so that day no. Wamu ba wamba mo ato aba. Look, I can tell you for a fact. MPP has sent notice to one members of to fill a form those who are willing to vote.
What?
Mena make at you. They say Monko passport office. How they be able to do Ghana passport for people who Mugrambo and your magic of Ghana passport?
You know, my announcement say will be a month for passport.
One more year, one more day, yes. Hey, Messi, Messi, silence we. Pass in the movie beba. Eti, Ubaka say, oh, na Yantiman Fanny Diancha, where the Baba who register 1 million people. Those people you could not put them on, they are not going to vote.
Fantastic.
Simple and register. Messi, Yasi said, the next meeting. That no Hinto is going to raise it. And this is for Monteki or other political parties. Fantastic. Take it upon yourself. Yan konko resist issue no. What is emplophobia abodua? Ewo election
achieve for mu dey.
That achieve nkwasa na bikin. Bunu hodon bunu is abodua. Yes nkwansa ho baby.
Mabodua.
Wo mo twa nantwe baako 4. Ndwan baako 4. Chinapo adaka de menim no dodo. Ye twa baako ama yisi. Wo mo say yisi ni bia obeye kululu obechange figure wo de ballot paper bomo obi so onkonko tintum omotwa odi ato now Jubilee House omotwa ba ko dia momo muti says card kokko mo obi onkonko yese ya omotwa mamo police for the security services omotwa ba ko momo ado omotwa ba ko ma political parties tie ne tie ni ye obi catch ose kokko ye basabasa don't go Agyapade document no 2000 copies.
Wow.
But 1,000 Awakra.
Now they are canny coin.
Nam the 1,000 Asante region. Medimba station Hanuma Chamami.
So how you feel?
Ebi so bia major traffic mu. Na be chairman crofo. Ma chairman munje na monko kan. In second year, would they study the forward of the document? Ready. Komu several
content by
na fi analyze it. Na hwade. They say Ghana, let us do Ghana good by making sure say MPP Frakunyaso. Then we can curtail this Agyapade thing. Ghana for Enya Adom the Tumi Maya, we are going to investigate the Agyapade document.
And of course, all the
in Profua, we more actual yeni ade we can investigate and get them. Omo say omo de yakọ parliament Agyapa royalties akọ parliament Ghana ye mineral royalties nyina no omo na eba bejeje na omo de ama Ghana. In the book they stated say they will intentionally undervalue the kind of saying royalties send the beya chunk of the ebeba omo ankasa nchen. And true to the fact we share a year your royalties na it is costing about $5 billion. Omo parliament omo di 1 billion and the koye 1 billion omo di koye no se eba se parliament ajatum ye sa 1 billion omo sandwich omo afa 4 billion na wie no omo sa wo chefa esa wo 1 billion no. What kind of wickedness is this? And we sit down and allow it? No. They say Ghana di bia wo hwem, Ghana di bia wo tie me. I am telling you say let us do Ghana good by making sure say MPP ewie na omubawe no yesi say eje record ewo maimu hase
so mo wie mo oden
eje record so that politician bia wo benya opportunity bia no obedwena o man no ho
kwa bewe
bia na me kasa asemui me say me 2016 I saw the defeat of NDC 2016 Seba me catch Akufo Addo say look you are going to win the elections actually I will break my central tankasila you say
tankasi yeah
yes ano mo ma me opportunity say me nkasa baby a me girana Akufo Addo timachi pe ana me say abana ye beto no 7 December no Akufo Addo beat Mahama less than 1 million voter esisi ehwehwem wo tie mu
no ojam
etie wi na me say ye pon rally no kra ye dru vie na me say na tie o tie mu no say won gin ni say I go say what did this obe winning na difference no any too much and I'm say wait and see yet to abani we so me call do me say o kai the rally asaba me kai no e hwa do shake me say I know say you are the man me say what I am seeing the defeat of MPP in December 7th it will be a record
e be sida
wa muti yempo sa lanchamanti wom Kamahama be beat Bawumia more than 3 million votes.
Hey,
me na make a chon. But ala na abamundi no. Asevu o musa di mugwase no. Na ye call run off. Na Lanchamanti ebebe ye president of the republic we are. I don't know who say yes. Amamu papa be free by biba.
Mo benya MPs.
What say?
Benya MPs.
MPs no no parliament no. MPs in the parliament no.
Yeah, more pre majority than minority.
That yeah found independent president. We have majority and minority akwan. Wonya offer. Those who want to be ministers under him come.
And of course all they are to just say 7 December to abani we are ubia into kwan.
Hey, Alan, we knew, Mahama, we knew, no government official would travel, may take over the airport.
Hopeson,
me na make a job.
Obey then.
Me say may take over the airport. We just say we be took your bejo passport, your bejo passport reference.
Hopeson Adorye.
Me na make a job. Yes, about the diabo guma. Na ya to about we na small lusu. Who to kwa hi. Who bet na kuma. Aye handing over we. Abi atutu. Government asset ami start ehwehwe wa yimu ye krewa obetuma to kwan ye nkrewa wo boa
buy passport
mo akwakọ yiye japade wa brochire ye kwakotra obia ni ho betu kwan and this offer car across to go and say odo grade ye be position go for
our borders no
me na make a kire ye nia bro we are going to save this country
you take over no
we are going to save this country me na make a kire say ya to aba me say president elect John Allan Kojo Kyeremanteng we say batame bag me for
bro say John
hey
be John
no be the president no John look Fourth Republic Yankopon dia majonfo and ye koya so den e di party here the first president of the Fourth Republic John Jerry Lawrence anamwa
pepe
second president John Ajekumkufo. Third president John Evans Atamas. Fourth president John Dramani Mahama. Ye kwakoyi fifth president no. Ade kwakoyi William Akufo Addo. What would bre any or how any kwadanda ababeto yeso. Someone
they are so chian.
Enti sa election ya ye koyi. Ye wo John for mienu. Ba ko ye fourth John. Say you perfume John Amanaba. Etra we catch us ye call round of na. John Allan Kojo Kyeremanteng beba. But big artist menu John and be winning these elections. One of them.
What percentage in be say?
What saying?
So they say run off percentage in me say.
Me say 0.1 crowd nipa na winning. What you say? But what will happen is say MPP defeat ni there. Ish. Ebe you. Look. You see those days yeshia no mu kikaki ko mu brofo na say adewe ye ni say ya ubanso omuti ho am say It makes sense. Near move near co. Or me person me comment you on. Me person me correct you on home bibia. Ojaje. E can make Tima show 1, 2, 3 a yibi or moya and no de be more just say or defeat no baba yekese. My canine. Minka. Ye two abanivia, metro or mo, the entire or marry. Because abade or marry did do. Men make a chro. She sa cosmetic show no moye as a sanko for go baby any ade. She baby a deeper dinu, nothing or masha that she camera no mana. I mean, ni na ye cosmetic. One can saw inside there yet. Wonim. She impenifo atitiri na we mu mo mata no. They do. Say, hey, say. I don't know more hayu more shada more my back. And of course, when I am a Kasai, thank you. Omunti obia ni ho betimesi ala nim. Me na me kachro. Me kan no hasene. None of them. Da me go mu so me ba nim na ala no betima go nanim. Eh? Bia beti ya be no bia yi. Omu so me ba manim. Na Alan ada betima go nanim. Omuntimi aka 23 days. Afenyo obekwa ala nim.
Free SHS na mo.
Dia.
Free SHS na mo.
You see, sa propaganda no. Ghana for BNG. Omo ya advert bi protect free SHS. So vote dia ben. Omo dada mu.
Monya tema secondary school video no.
Omo dada mu. Yeti mi say Kwame Nkrumah free secondary school miska. Na say only there is a fact. President won't pay tax. Vice President won't pay tax. Mene wo pay tax. Yesika no mo dey free SHS. Etidi asem no mo ka kire yin. Yesika wo. Hwe. We ba bi same day before you mount. Now go through. Now within a week. You living kwa matuano. Wo gi kabomu a enya de ketwa. You living kwa obi wa me so wo mu amekakra no wasene in a day when you try 100 cedis hey wo send 1 cedi kra yetew je petisa eje part of this escanaye. Number 2 from Kwame Nkrumah Buziamu a champon Hilali Manu Lawrence Kofo James John Dramani Mahama wo mu na Wokaka omu boto ho ma Ghana 122 billion. Ada Akufo Addo ne Bawumia be fai. 8 years over 60 years 122 billion. 8 years you move from 122 billion to 764 billion. Aden
you ho hwe so.
Aden what about the 600 and you can say 2 billion? Anabeka. We did.
Until we a tema a year secondary school. Hey, tema. Hey, I'm going to from. That's why you free SHS. So for some impact, a year chiao. Now, say.
NBC tickets. Bonsom Emma Yesu. Obisa, a free education. Now we patch free education. I am a penny, the bottomska, and what you free education. And Ghana, Yesika. I am Bosian crying Ghana, give more the cowboy. And that tax, I am Churchia. And Tim Pacho, Yesika. Our buy ho no the aye bibia ma ye senya free ana meboa na mesika na twa also free education na nyo no ani bottom ska omu country said ya say yo mo bottom ska no mu de ye aye Ghana yesika na mu de aye free education eti mo ye kra ati said ya misika ho na de aye ade ama me onya hwe.
Hey,
so for me tiama
ana me de wako osibimpa ho. Yemum kakra ho na afei. Temade me ra ho.
me chrome phone hwe me pa aye Kojo chrome phone
omo messages
enti me chia mu nyina Big Joe
so wa we tough
anti ajara ma me cha se mu nyina me chia mu nyina nyankopon hira mu
okay
hwe wahu secondary school hoya yekoyin look se obi ababan mu 8 years watima sisi mansions by 7 8 7 akatua ye tua no
yuji ahema
se o save ni nyina no ka se onyi city crown fanto aduane ni ya 8 years ontimi sisi adan no ba kokora but watima si 8 nkanya boni na ohwe classroom nkwala go classroom secondary education na we me say mon protect no nyom so mon protect ni national capital
tema
enya me ma mi kro mpo viaje o ha enya ko viaje o anda nya chiavi
Greater Accra
regional e kan say national capital
Araho
tema ene Accra ebom eye kro ba po
Araho
na school nkwala timu eni
science block
edunye edianum mumia fa ye ho adwene hwe mese se mekasa manfo be kojela eya na wo mu fi se me kan keke. These are some of the things that you hear na yenden say ye be make sure say abanfo akojela
want to minor bro.
First, secondary school, aban make sure omodua no mbedi omunkonya eni ade ye decentralize no. Ye decide yetamase carpenter for whatever enya adwuma no mo ye nkonya e de ma omo.
Sécret amoko na ne papa ye carpenter otia mass aye that's it for me.
That's right.
Sécret amon papa.
No ye nkonya ma school for no.
Nkonya ma school for.
You see?
Sino ni nkonya ye pa.
Eba wo mu nuane a ubonse temafo na pharmacy no
ne bezes
chese wo manya kwan eti headmaster any beza am make sure say ya to nuane from your local
for sheka na kofaba
na kwa kofaba aban wo yini nyina de aba one point central point
chichim
na fi wona ye fu soja bra beje koko esopra wa ha na answer the be free soja class o me ono de nketinketi o akese be say there are certain things I na me pese me boso minister for mo ankasa formal shadow companies and the executive yi wo mu fi si eni afrafra be say am for be ko jail me mas more hint wo mo ankasa aform from companies that the nkrofo to anu be say mo de munya botre boko hwe documents e kura ye no hu ogbofo we mu e tira me ka say ye to abado mu lusu airport me say ye big training for
on the airport unim to come here ho
me say ka ye de that time we ye police de ne ka say bra o de ye attempt
now Hopeson
yeah
you say the current survey you know moi na sama manfo ka form no ya de se ya bamubu kese ne kwa so na
yisini na kasa na adentina ya bambu wo mo ya de papa ya beka
thank you
enti ade amoye olim meka yen movement for change
you say unhappy with latest surveys
mo be happy enti mo
institution kind of untrust
and trust the cry because your attitude look when your organization you are there to manage elections. How can you take that kind of decision say abana ye kwakotono you deal with political parties separate, you deal with independent candidates separate. Enya muni ebeka say semui people are going for elections, they are on the same ballot paper, we are going to vote for them on the same day, but when you are dealing with them You segregate them. What kind of you thinking? No. And someone say Ghana for can monkey can hear no who say yes. Ghana for you happy with them.
My brother
him say ballot statistics no more I don't know say NDC for up taking notice of something. Mamika say mega ballot statistics na. Okay? Yes, we are going to expose you one by one. Once our money are dinner about total registered voters, those who are valid, those who are absent, those who are this, that. There is 841 names here. Yeah?
841 names.
Wamudi ashe baby. Say microphone. Wamanti me wamusi polling stations are less than say 50 or say then wamu collapse. Yadi akeka bi hu. Wamwaja figure bi say eno no de. Wamanti me just ya more stations. Nanso so that day no. Wamu ba wambe mo ato aba. Look, I can tell you for a fact. MPP has sent notice to one members to fill a form those who are willing to vote.
What?
Me na make you. Kokoye, they say Monko passport office na Monko here. How they be able to do Ghana passport for people who Mukrambo and your majesty Monko Ghana passport?
Tino me announcement say obi a man for passport over.
One more year, one more day, yes. Hey, me see a debate, me say, silence you. Pass it in the movie beba.
See, Asante Rígging mo afan to mo betima protect ballot no.
What? You have no idea. Me ye ka say.
Obi atumi ntumi enu me say.
Me say me no Kofi Boakye Ahyia. Say Kofi Boakye is in charge of NDC there. I will be in charge of movement for change in Asante Rígging.
Security.
When I make what don't go who dey bisi hodum. Obuba who dey bisi. Me oba me so na mo ye 20 me fesimu. It is something more ye no. Look, make away all other political parties take notice. That is the avenue. Wa mo ba be yes ade no. Wa mo say oh when me dey amenti no, mo ma no nto na mo ntro. Wa mo be chegu country no mu. Wa ni be ba ho si na ni pa 500,000. A wa mo nya registered voters no ma be to aba no. Me patch the twema me na me nchira de. Explanations no 9 good. Share. Once a voter statistics in here. Registered voters on biometric register 18,600,000 so. Sa figures in now. Number 1 oba what's number 1? Voters on biometric register refers to voters who will be biometrically verified on election day. That is number 1. Number 2, special voters. What's special voters refers to voters who have special duties on election day, and for that reason are allowed by law to vote earlier than it is special voting. Security for the media for Number 3, voters without biometric data. Voters without biometric data refers to voters who registered by whose biometric data got corrupted. For one reason or the other, they will be manually verified on election day. Watch them. Number 4, total valid voters. Total number of valid voters for 2024 general election is 18,774,159. And what it is, A plus B plus C. And NMI
the number of absentee.
That's right. With biometric data, special voters, and then voters without biometric and no NMI is our total number. It's A plus B plus C, NMI, the total of 18,774,000. Now, number 9. Number 9 has a number of absent voters. But we share number 5, a total number of voters on exceptions list. Exception. What is exception here? Omanchire. We share number 6, number of voters on multiple list. Then number 7, total number of voters on proxy list. Now over number 8, total number of transfer voters. But there is clear. But I did back one exception list. Anna multiple list. Number 9, the total number of absent list. Afenyo Markins should equal the sum of special voters plus transfer voters. Special voters, you know, and then transfer voters. However, the number of polling stations were administratively closed, either because they did not meet the minimum voter threshold required for operations, or because local community requested the commission to close the polling stations for legitimate reasons. Voters from the closed stations were transferred to I'm saying back to as well. Baby, I'm 841.
And don't you summarize my
printing and come said the second paper 800 and something. And no exceptional list in it at the also baby. Absent. And then the special voting in Kauka Bumwa and Cassis Bauka Webumwa. Now what did that year? You were 800 and something a watchery.
Nini
or no, baby, I'm the baby. They are saying, say, on that day, so Muba, or Mudin registered, or get a voter ID card into Yabaman had to. No much true deal at all. Hey, nobody is going to allow this. Nobody is going to allow it. Please cancel, for these are some of the things you people should be doing. You're not just you hold not to one. Eti ubakwa say oh na yantiman fa de diancha wadi baba ho new register na ko be 1 million people. Those people you could not put them on, they are not going to vote.
Fantastic.
Simple and clear. They say yes, said them to one. The next meeting that no Hinto is going to raise it, and this is for Monteki or other political parties. Fantastic. Take it upon yourself. Yan ko raise our issue no. What is Nkofo Abodua? Ewo election.
Achabi for mu di.
That achabi mpasa na bikin. Bunu is Abodua. Yes, in Kwanza ho baby. Mabodua. Wo mo twa nantwe baako 4. Ndwan baako 4. Sinapo adaka de menim no dodo. We twa baako ama yisi. Wo mo say yisi ni bia obeye kululu, obe change figure. Wo de ballot paper bomo obi so nkonko tintum. Wo mo de twa wo de ato. Now Jubilee House, Omocha Bako de Amomo. Musi says Kadi Koko Mobi, one Kongo say ya, Omocha Mamo. Police for the security services, Omocha Bako Momo, I don't Mocha Bako political parties. Tie, netie ni. Obi catch yourself Kokoye Basa. Don't go.
Yo, Ebusafo, we ne reporter abeto yepono so meka say so we subscribe to channel dia bomodi an say obe subscribe. Na fe so wa like video, like the video, na fe share ma ofofro so na we nye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo a ekoso e wo Ghana memo. Say hade latest hot nkwana me de bremo oso betimi a chere wadwen afa ye ensem we nyina ho e wo comment box ni mu. Mo beti minka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.